blown away. Congratulations to Riviera for actually stepping it up not one notch, but like right up there to one of the most prestigious boats I have seen.
Just incredible the way it's all come together in the different entertaining areas.
Sensational, yeah. From where it's come from, the renders that we got earlier on in the piece to now to seeing it in the real life, there's nothing that would change it.
Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I can't fault anything.
10 out of 10. No, very good. No, I'm a tough marker too. I'm very hard. No, I think they've done a great job. Good on them.
My first impressions, wow. It's a beautiful boat, magnificently appointed.
I've had 5 Rivieras, and this is an amazing boat. This is just a dream.
We looked very seriously at a couple of other boats, and we thought very, very good. However, the space could be used better. This is using the space better. The 4-beam master, gorgeous. The extended range tanks and the ability to be able to take on more provisions will really benefit us in our long-term goal of ranging further.
It's like a labour of love, and it's like a new child and a proud father, so it's all of those emotions together. And when you get to see our owners come on board and they're looking everywhere and seeing all the neat touches and the details we put into the boats, it's really rewarding because you know how much work's gone into every detail and they're actually being seen and appreciated, so it's awesome.
Absolutely awesome. Seeing the boat from I knew I'd be able to get on it one day, but from above I never thought I'd get that opportunity. Knew the opportunities at Riv were endless, but not this endless.
Who thought we'd be starting off an apprenticeship, working every day to up and up the parasail underneath a brand new boat. It's absolutely amazing. The boat looks amazing as well. It's good to see it out on the water finally.